Hello YouTube, my name's Kyle. Thank you for stopping by the channel. I wanted to make this quick video regarding the kind of direction and future of the channel. In the past, my videos haven't really had much of a direction or a focused topic or anything like that. It's kind of been all over the place, wishy-washy, whatever I've wanted to post when I've wanted to post it. That being said, recently I've kind of got the urge to go down a different path with the channel as far as focus, consistency posting, and what the topic of the videos is going to be. So the main thing, overall kind of umbrella, is going to be my hobbies, basically what I enjoy. Now that's going to encompass some tech, some product reviews, which are mostly going to be tech, kind of some random stuff as well. My 3D printing stuff, my heat pressing stuff, and the live streaming, the Astro and some other live streaming stuff, as far as the process on what I go through to do the pressing, the 3D printing, the different products, stuff like that. So I'm looking forward to it. And also a massive thing I want to accomplish during all of this is learning. I want to learn a lot about a lot. That's a constant goal of mine, is learning. I'm always trying to learn new things, do new things. Might be a bit to my detriment because I'm kind of bouncing around, but that's kind of why I want to focus on this channel a little bit. It'll help me add some structure to what I want to do and what I want to post. So that being said, a little bit of a taste of what we're going to be doing is like I said, tech stuff. So we're going to have like, we're going to be doing the smart telescopes, which is the tech, and the Astro stuff. So this is the Dwarf. This is the Dwarf 2, and I've had this one for a while. The Dwarf 2, and we've got the SeeStar here, which I've also had for a while. So we're going to be going over both of those in depth, as far as imaging, live streaming, tech-related stuff. It's going to be super cool. I hope there's questions involved because it'll help me learn about it as well. So that's the smart telescope side of things. I started in photography with my DSLR, which is over there right now. And that kind of led to the smart telescopes. Then the smart telescopes led to wanting to build my own kind of rig, my own imaging rig. And the main kind of heart of an imaging rig is your mount, your tracking mount. So I went with this as far as my tracking mount, my first choice for a go-to. I had, or I still have actually, the Skywatcher Star Adventurer, and I used that with my DSLR for a long time. That's a great mount, super easy. Set it up, polar align it, look through. It's got a polar scope right in the middle of it, so you look through the middle of it, polar align it, attach your camera, focus on your target, set it up with an intervalometer, hit your shoot button, and you're off to the races. Like I said, this is a go-to mount. This is the AZ GTI, same company by Skywatcher. It started its life as an alt-az mount like this, and I converted it with the drivers from Skywatcher into an EQ mount, which is why it's got this counterweight and custom 3D printed counterweight, which we'll go over. We'll go over all of this. This is kind of just a taste of what we're looking at. And that leads me to the Frankenstein rig that I built that actually goes on that mount. So this we'll go over in depth as well. Saddle, focuser, telescope, mini PC, guide scope. We'll break it all down in depth. I love this thing. I'm proud of it, and I can't wait to use it a lot more. So yeah, that being said, that's kind of the telescope and astrophotography side of things. You can see where I stream from right there. So we'll probably touch base on that as well. Super cool stuff. And then also tech-related, drones. I love my drones. This is the Avata 2. This is the Mini 3 Pro. I also have the Avata 1, 2 of the goggles, a couple of the controllers. So we'll be going over all that as well. I'm really excited for the direction of the channel and hoping to get some engagement. If not, it'll be cool for me to be able to document the path and as I navigate this tech world and all of that stuff. The 3D printing I'm excited about. Some of this stuff has aspects as part of my business and hobby. So that's the pressing, the 3D printing, that side of things. Other than that, I just wanted to hop on and say hello, introduce myself quickly. Kyle, the face of the channel, the man behind the stuff. I haven't posted myself on the channel much before. I think I did a silent unboxing maybe of that Mini. You can go check that out. I think I did. I think it was the Mini. I would have to go back and have a look. It was either the Mini or one of the DJI things. It was DJI for sure. We'll just say that. Anyways, what else? Oh, quick touch base. When you're out and about and you're dealing with any of this stuff, you need to power it. So this is a big thing we're going to be going over. I've got 2 of them now. I've got another gray cell on the way. This exact one, just because the price is insane. So this is Anchor, gray cell, power stations, portable power stations. If you're out and about at all, or even if you're not out and about, one of those is great to have, just in case a power outage. Like we're getting these storms tonight and tomorrow morning. Who knows? The power could go out. I'll just plug my laptop in and I'm off to the races. That's all for now. We're going to keep rocking. I'll keep posting regularly, keep crushing it with these videos, and I hope I get some subs, some likes, and some comments. If you like these videos, share them, and let me know what you think. As far as tech goes, comment. Let me know what kind of tech you're dealing with, what routes you're going down as far as that goes, and we'll start the engagement. Like I said, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for stopping by. We'll do this again soon.